Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna be showing you GlassFlow, and we're gonna demo how to install GlassFlow in Kubernetes, how to create a pipeline and to duplicate the data that's coming and send it into ClickHouse. For this demo, you need few prerequisites. The first thing would be to have a Kubernetes cluster up and running, to have a ClickHouse and a Kafka cluster accessible, and that's it. So without further ado, let's go. First thing is we need to install GlassFlow into the Kubernetes cluster. For that, we're going to use Helm. We're going to use Helm repo add GlassFlow, glassflow.github.io/charts. Now we're going to do Helm install. We're going to install it into GlassFlow namespace. And that takes a few seconds. Now we're going to make sure that GlassFlow is running in your cluster. kubectl, deployment, get deployments. GlassFlow looks like it's running. The control manager is yet not ready. Yes, now everything is up and running. Next thing we need to do is port forward the UI service. kubectl port forward port 8080, and let's check here. Perfect. So we have GlassFlow up and running. Let's now create some Kafka topic and some tables in ClickHouse to sync the data. I have here my notes, so I can run this in another terminal. So here we're creating a topic user event. Here we will be logging into ClickHouse with the ClickHouse CLI, and we'll be creating a table. Exactly. Exit. Now let's send some messages into our topic. There we go. Now let's go back to GlassFlow UI and create a deduplication pipeline. So there is 4 types of transformations so far for GlassFlow. We can deduplicate data, join or deduplicate, or mainly insert. So we go with the duplication pipeline. We name it demo, and we start adding the credentials for Kafka. And then go to my notes. These are my Bootstrap servers. User events is my topic. Setting the event, the latest event, and you can see this. This was the event that we sent previously. This step now we gotta select what's the duplication key. We're gonna choose the event ID, and now we have to add the ClickHouse credentials. There's our cluster. 90. And here we go. Now we're connecting to our ClickHouse cluster, user, what was it? This one. There we go. So the UI was able to map correctly the event type between both the Kafka fields and the ClickHouse table columns. Sometimes that doesn't work and you have to select it, but anyway, this time it matched correctly. And now we create a pipeline. There we go, pipeline created. And now it's time to send some events. Let's send here a bunch of events. And I'm actually gonna send twice. So we should only see one. How many events is it? 11 events from here. Yeah. So now if we exit here and we go back into our ClickHouse client and we select everything from user. Who is it? Users the top. Users the top. There we go. We got 11 records. Another thing that we can see is we can send some wrongly formatted events and or just simply empty events, and they should end up in the dead letter queue. Let's go back to the UI, let's refresh. Here we go, we got 4 events on the letter queue. They have been unconsumed. If you want to consume them, we have the Python SDK that allows you to consume the events and then you can reprocess them. That's it. You can post a pipeline. You can then also delete it. That's it for the demo for today. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, until next time.